Good evening. Today I am going to show one new OS. It's an Pinguy OS. This OS is very useful for computer network administration utility that tests the reachability of host on Internet Protocol IP network. It's widely used and supported network troubleshooting utilities that can run on almost an operating system, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. So this Pinguy OS, it's mainly used for the big servers and networks and all. So based on IPv4, IPv6 response with IPv4 and IPv6 addresses, this ping sends packets from source of target host. If the target host is accessible through the network, it sends packet back. Ping sends Internet Control Message Protocol ICMP packets to destination and waits for echo reply, and it can be used diagnostically to ensure that the host computer user trying to reach its operating. So just now we'll open this and we'll check what the features are there and how it can be used and how it can be useful for us. So just I am opening Google Chrome and typing there as Pinguy, Pinguy OS, and then enter. Here we can see HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, Pinguy OS was a Linux distribution for x86 based and all. So here the screenshot is there, and Pinguy OS 32-bit, 64-bit is there. Now we have to download for a new advanced version, and I downloaded my OS. Here ISO image I download. Now we have to download Rufus. So open Google Chrome and type there as RUFUS and then enter. For every booting of pen drive we require Rufus. So just go through Rufus, and here we can see screenshot of Rufus, and just scroll down and download option will be appear. Rufus 4.3 EXE standard Windows x64 is there, 1.4 MB. And here portable versions is there, and here x86 is there, ARM64 is there. So I'm going with first option, and my Rufus has been completed. I opened, inserted 16 GB pen drive and then start. And after completion of Rufus, restart our system. And here you can see after restarting the system, you can see here start Pinguy OS full LTS. This is the screen which appear after downloading. So booting, now we have to wait for boot, and my installation will be completed. See here, install Pinguy OS. This is the screen which appeared, and here volume up and down and full charge, and here calendar, and here we can see many features are there, and here the icon Pinguy OS icon is there. Just if you people also interested for this server based OS with the new advanced features and all, just download it and check for the features. System info is there, download host name, and here CPU model, CPU core, here settings are there, many advanced features are there. So it is mainly used for servers, for big server networking. So hope the video is good. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.